Okay, so this is the Helimax Novus 200 FP. Took the stock canopy off of it because ended up cracking it. Did a couple of modifications here. Basically, I had this 3.5 channel coaxial helicopter, the Hawk Spy. Ended up crashing it. Blades just stopped turning at about 50 feet and smashing the ground, so I salvaged some parts from that. The canopy right here, which I'm going to put on the Novus, just cut out holes here on the sides so the landing gear will fit in there properly. Cut a bit off the top. This is the PCB board, the FM transmitter, 27 megahertz, from the 3-channel chopper. Basically, with this, I can hook up LED lights and a camera onto this, which is what I've done. It's from the old chopper. The old chopper had a spy cam onto it, so this is just the board and the cam from that. Basically, you can see I just got the PCB board zip tied on top of the receiver from the Novus and around the frame, and I did the same thing with the camera down here in the bottom. I don't know if you can see here. I got kind of bad lighting. Let's see. There we go. There's the camera right here. So yeah, that's just takes a micro SD card. This is the switch, which basically just plugs in here on the board right there, and that allows me to turn the board on or off to give power to it when I use the camera. And this is the 3-channel FM transmitter. So I would just normally turn the controller on, and then there's a button up here, right here, that you would press to start recording video or to stop recording video. So yeah, right now I've got the camera hooked up and the board. I've already got the canopy ready to go on here. I just need to hook up the LED tail light to the tail here and into the board. Put the canopy on it. I've already taken some video with the camera. It's decent. So yeah, the total extra weight here, this board, I guess with the wire that goes down for the power here on the bottom, which I forgot to mention. I just got a couple of JST connectors here, parallel male to female. So basically I got the power coming from my receiver as well as the PCB board going into the one connection here, so it hooks into the battery, which is right here, 1000 milliamp, 7.4 watt 2-cell lipo poly. So yeah, run the camera and the chopper off of that, get about 7 to 8 minutes fly time, which is surprisingly good considering the extra weight I've added here. The PCB board's about 15 grams. The camera is about another 9 grams. The canopy is a total of 20 grams. The original canopy for the Helimax Novus is only 13 grams, so it's a 7 gram difference. So if you add up the 7 gram difference for the canopy, the 15 grams for the PCB board, and the 9 for the camera here, you get about, with the wiring and everything, I guess more or less about 30 grams of extra weight, which is more or less centered around the nose area, which is going to throw the center of gravity off a bit, so she's going to be nose heavy. So I adjusted for that with the trim Um, so yeah, I mean, that's pretty much my helimax novus modification here.